Hi everybody, Susie Fido here, co-founder of Marketing with Ethics and creator of the Facebook Kickstarter Academy. And today I'm going to show you how to link your business page with your personal profile. So to do this, I'm going to go over to my personal profile. So let's go over now. The reason you would want to do this is if you're in a group and you're chatting or just generally on Facebook and people want to check you out, they can see what company it is that you're related to. If you go into your profile by clicking on your profile picture up in the top right up here, you can see this intro information here. And you can see I've got it as co-founder at Marketing with Ethics, which means if somebody clicks on there, they will go off to my business page. So how do you link that up? It's very simple, really. Just click on Edit Details and then click on the pencil icon here. And you can see I've already got it set there. So add a workplace, company, you can start typing anything. So let's say I'm with Step by Step Listening because that's the page that I'm admin of. My position could be Facebook Manager. If I was to save that, and then I go back to my overview, you can see Manager of Facebook as Step by Step Listening and co-founder at Marketing with Ethics, and you can click on either of them. So let me just take that off. So therefore delete workplace. So that's gone back to just co-founder at Marketing with Ethics. So I might want to change the details. So if I go into edit, so I could change my position to something else. If you look, it has the different positions here. So I could just put director. And then you click on that. It's a good idea to put in a very brief description about your business. So I'm going to click on save. So now if I go back to my main part here, you can see director at Marketing with Ethics. And like I say, if I click on that, it will then go off into my business page. So that's how you can link your Facebook business page to your personal profile. So if you are giving any advice and somebody goes to your profile, they can see instantly the business that you have as well. Hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.